Everybody say, ah. Say, oh, oh. Say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you.
7340 0208 493 7340. Mepacho for emergency number na yenko. I think say lawyer Charles Atenasi intimidine bre okra. Emergency number no 077 127 61884. 077 127 61884. Ampa adinyina di adanse say no foreign god can take the place of God in your life. Nti anapai meji di se san wa ya wadwene. Mami 1 minute na fi memfa dwumadie no enhihye so ema wo.
Oh my God, I love.
Private Client Services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate, or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors. Let us take care of probate.
Embra enne anopa dwumadie yi so na menimu se onyame adom nti enne yebebo ne titiw ne yede ama wo sane medical ka kire wo no eya na mempe se mesi obia kwan ewo na dwuma oye ho enti enne anopa yi yebebo no wano na yede ama wo ententem so a na kire se by 10 no na yede dwuma ni nyina aba wiye ne yagya ha ama nana na ono nso abeyeden no wabeto aso adwoa saade atu Amerika e de ewura baby o so de ewura lawyer me pa cho me ma wache anopai e ma wakwaba eba Rainbow Radio akasa fidie so
Mejo so Bishop
lawyer mente wonka
Bishop Bacha what me ka Bishop what me ka
lawyer me pa cho mente wonka
Bishop what me ka
me pa cho me ba ma me hwe okay lawyer me nka
what me ka Bishop what me ka
mo wadaroma yenko me pa cho me ma wache e ma wakwaba
yeah nia eje so etia for ne ahwefo enyinara enso se ne awokan no ebe ko ne tete enti ye nkyere ho edi dwumadie no eto aso
wadaroma yetiu yenko lawyer me hu wache
no kra the crapa o egusu ye feyi
se me siansian
I'm saying new mantle no more there.
afi we de law no me se me ma won fa nko nya me di machi pa
No. Yo, You tie for the ashofo and so enkomo no na ye de bro you know say mind the gap. Obebi say na ada na dey do railway station na enye railway station na immigration emrano amu na ye wo no. Na ada nti say mind the gap. Na ye hwe you know say obi ehwe asese oji 2.5 and I say me ye de be mani bia no ne botae ne say da chi bi no owokwa akwaje afibo a ye fe no indefinite leave to remain and I say permanent stay or settlement na eno no say eye pre-settled na we dey call settled status and I say 2.5 na we dey call indefinite, you know, it doesn't really matter. You say mind the gap. Now mind the gap no not just say you especially wa wo call indefinite, you know, as I say we try a bredudu bi na a bredudu no they say be 5 years na we braso wa kwaje indefinite and I say 10 years na we braso na kwaje indefinite and I say ne tie bia ukeka bomu a say we student say we kwaje parent whatever ukeka ho an we do 10 years a we ko akwaje indefinitely to remain. Now question is say aso say what na ha bredodo no na yede ma indefinite leave to remain and now so say what na ha bredodo wait in krata na yede ma indefinite leave to remain. Nti what na UK bredodo wait legal status na ye hwe na yede ma indefinite leave to remain. Nti in fact we want to be say me yama me 2.5 under private life. And I said 2.5 under parents. And I said 2.5 senior TBR discretion. Now major 10 years was no. A break a man quite said no aquaji indefinite leave to remain. Sana embrano a tre. And now as I said, me partner, number apply under 5-year route no. Me make 5 years no. Me breswa as I said, me apply for indefinite leave to remain. And now as I said, yeah. Pre-settled. Of course, pre-settled for the amount of 5 automatically. And it's a there. There's no way Obaka said break a cover baby. International say mind the gap and honestly mind the break in that 10 years journey. And I said 5-year journey. No. Now I can say mind the gap and I say mind the break no. A baby and a break aquabum. Yamawa as I said, Brenoswa will be renew. Sa kwesita mo a wo 10 years no ebedu sometimes you dey ma wo no 10 years no beso no even though the last 2.5 no ewuye and so na wo 10 years no edu because most of the time no ade no could do fikesi mu a eche asaba in terms of say ade no could do wa na baaye especially last one no and I say in between no ekweche na ba nti wo keka ni na bomu a which are 10 years continuously. Membum adiana ngasa de bia ebewu 6 months time. With 10 years last one, yes, according to Imrano, which are 10 continuous years, into which me and the atum, won't try say 6 months, you know, and I say last 2.5 no, ebewu answer, and I say ebe answer. And now I say the same applies to 2.5 for under 5-year route. So as a parent with direct access and as a partner near TBR. Na yetwi adwene gina ne enti a aban say yembo sade wo say mind the gap we. Na ekopie mu say so almost sese ade no na omo say 10 years no enduye because break ekoba baby a na tell say wo time no enso ye you have to bridge the gap because one gap abedemu. Na gap no den na abede mu emre mienu bi akopie court na emu imwaya court ede ba ne se gap no bedemu a na efiri ti e betre enum samre nipa de call court no na se asem ko dan court ebu aye no ye fra no iyaki oyaleteni anase ofie bibrum na ade asam ko dan aban se a court say membre aso say me kwa kwaji me indefinite omo say omo mfa ama me ba ko nso yenu a yefra no abza nso me time so kwaji indefinite no omo say omo mfa ama no because gap abada ade no mu ekoba asen ekoba ne say yenu yi ba ko 2.5 na 2.5 no so no na oye application for fee waiver na fee waiver no ekoye no mo kire no ba say yem tumi mfa fee waiver no emma wo because sika wunya no edoso santi amount 10 days say your application na tua sika no na fa 2.5 o renewal no feko sa time na yede ma no wentu anamo because osi oni sika anase ni refi nti ọkaaya no hu sɛ adeɛ no tan days na yɛde ma no ewu na ɔsa yɛ free waiver biem ɔyɛ sɛ yɛ free waiver kyerɛ sɛ ne visa no deɛ ewu akyerɛ yie because second free waiver kyerɛ ansa ɛɛba afi yɛde second free waiver yɛde ma no ɛma no yɛ the application ɛkɔɔyɛ na wɔn mu na bere so ɔkɔgye 10 indefinite no ɛna ɔmo kyerɛ no sɛ during the 10-year journey no there was a break or there was a gap santi yentumi emfa sa ade no emma wo sisie ba ko so ne de na omo refuse na so de court no when bra ese so de ko no when tu sa anamo no enti na just when tu anamo no enti court break ekoba mu na echire no de ko no oye application say court why late there ba court engine court ejitum na omoje appeal no na omo process ye appeal no kọ ya na ya mencha de onya ye na oto a ne 2.5 no so ebro so okwaji indefinite no omo ka chere say wo kai say ye refuse ba ku bi ase say wo de court no time ase say wo de ko no 14 days no e pa ho ama wo kwasra court answer ye ma o permission say ye hwe for appeal no ekọ nje sa time no a wo ma gap e ba ye no e de be punish you nti even though to you no wo be aso say wo be indefinite but to the process ne there gap abedem nti ese say we ye edishim mind the gap nti ye hwe kwan oba avoid sa break no a e be ba beda 10-year residence no especially towards indefinite and now say 5-year residence no towards indefinite nti se na ye chirem no di kan nipa no aya application for fee waiver because ohia voucher e dey tua application fee no because of qualify na when to improve say onisika santi omo refuse fee waiver no omo ma no bre say offer application e bre na dey ma no 10 days when to anamo no entem inti gap abedem even though later no why application no e dey akwadie enso e bre no so omo ka kire say time no ade no chair wo nsem ansa wo de application airco plus time a ebedi fikesimfo ye nsem no a asa airba no ye kan nyina bomu a gap a ada no enunie nti se wo ye ehyem nti se wo kwaji top up ansa sabre no wetumi make no up anaso se obi o mu a ne bra so se okoye renewal no yenim se ese se esoro ya no ese se wo di tum ena yenwe for whatever reason when to me amfan tum entem enti ewu oninsem mbra no say ewu a over 14 days under paragraph 39E to apply na as a certification for omoji etubu yenwe anase sani pay why application there ombeji e process it but sa time no a ade no wu oninsem ansa all application no ene brododo a ebedi ema application decision no aba no ye kan nyina abomu a na kire say break akoba no ne dodo nie nti brodo so say wo dey say wo bra so say koye indefinite a no maka kire me say there was a gap and so you have to make up for that nti mind the gap ne ye kan nyina ne say Say one share no one your application no entemwa. Never sani wu nsemu even though why application my adjust to mudie actually no omo baba the cultural say ebie bi no during the 10-year journey and that's a 5-year journey no we may say gap bi buy enti sa enti ya de betwe waso e wo sa ade no eho enti ne tofa no nyina ne say gap a ebe wa bedu no no ekwan a etumi efa so ni nie na o pese wo si anu kwan a ese say make sure say application no why before visa no ebewu and they say one day hours so and I would two more before ewu why before ewu there's no gap why a fee waiver na ya mau days say for your main application 10 days and they say making sure say why application yes sir gap ebeba nti kwan a wo fa so days gap no ano no and I say why application emma court and that's why application you refuse would I then go court. Person would call court appeal no as I say we in term. So UK or memoir 14 days. Of course, who outside there wouldn't visa. It's what the end any problem. But who inside now we renew and you refuse to now what you appeal as I say we within 14 days. So why you 14 days let's just say why you late. Court budget there no more actually so the some number but one gets a create gap ama wo the kwan obafa so a obesi ano ne say so appeal na wo kwaya because you refuse to renew wala make sure say bra ya dey ama wo say for appeal no bra no wo de be call entem yes sir you be catch say there was a gap you prophet me the man be see her say na mama wo so kwan na obebisa ba ku mieni ya na tie for so enya ebre
emo lawyer medasi ye to aso a ye kɔ yanim no na mamemfa number nanto hɔ na me di question bi abrew na number na ye di dwuma no enne anopai 0208 1334646 atiefo enne ye mmere ne yetia pa enti mentwentwen onan ase ansa na wo de call no atum eba ne sa yentimi mfa ibegya wo hɔ akɔ eni enti sisi a wanya opportunity no me ba baby sa lawyer nsem ba ko mienu miensa na o kasa nyina na me type ne ma bi gu me phone no so na me pese me di busa no ensem edema wo enti number no 0208 1334646 and answer 0208 133 1134 na ekire se me di lawyer ma na woni no atimi atwetwe enkomo enne anopan ubetimi di ensem no nso bi afa your WhatsApp line also on 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 na ekire se yene lawyer etwetwe nkomo no me ba cho me ma wache ema wakwa aba eba dwumadi so
But I'm a lawyer so.
Minu abema menso mejo do papa no pede mama mfantena bade yi no if you have me kodi eti dok no
Yo. But I'm a lawyer sama.
bra
Yeah. You're a lawyer morning. But your master me there. Me yeah application mama ba. I'm a me EU new dependent. But me application mama but me oye EU new or no na oye sponsor because I'm no min kita minya more settled status into me mama na oye sponsor. Now home office say Menfa I'm a best educated in bra. So about for best educated and papa word do. But applications are yeah there nena which is no mammy no in the sponsor. Na ye DNA na BB account. But in that but me how there another me concern there. So yes the best certificate no compare or back there or there I'm a mission no cheddar I'm a dependent in some to fa about basumba. And see na maybe so the wide wide training abazi pocho master.
yo agosi menza not then
Yamna do more. What
that's
say?
it was mu ye pa yo wasa me di onya za ochra adwem wo pede wo hu de abofra no ye wo ba na because abofra no ye wo ba abofra no ntumi ye ma ne nana senyim dem
Matter.
Nti ba no chere na wo anga some cry no mami da mami. E ba na ze ba ko prove that wo mami ni.
And the application means anymore.
Matter say. No say matter so but our application. Na no oya na no wo ana.
Inyo.
No wo
akwala no obeye
akwala.
den. Akwala no obeye den e na obeye wo maame no e nana.
It's way there a simple request. For into normally omodo application e kono. As I say omodo akwala no birth certificate. Omodo wo birth certificate. Then it will triangulate to say applicant's father is John. John is the son of Mary, and therefore Mary is the grandmother of this applicant. You want further to provide DNA, which is fine, but they just want to be sure, say, because DNA no will prove whatever has proven. Just show say, and ajua na maame Mary no wo nso nti fact we feel say we dey kwa o maybe say adenti na one sponsor. So you had a choice. You could have done it. Your mother can also do it. So you chose your mother, which gives you stronger points. Turn it on your excuse for them. Aye.
Yeah, but that's okay. Na yeni through there. So you look over there because I'm a dependent and then a dependent so or couple biaba.
And I say nya wo na akwa kofa nya wo na akwa kofa na ba. E ya wo maame.
Okay.
My kwan say you to kofa wo nana eba, but you have to prove so your nana.
Your matter me that say.
What you say?
My 100%.
And so okay, can Joshua chapter 1 verse number 9 or say fear not, be courageous and divako. Yes, yeah, that's it. Fear not, why? Be courageous. And no. Fako, yeah, then I say. Order for a Rainbow Radio International 92.4 FM. DAB Plus and also 18 Timoso Cry. And then I no pay any lawyer Charles and I see Nkonya me pacho watch the gap. Watch the gap. Now when I am kutum. Watch the gap and a 3-9-2-9. Mema watching Emma Wakwaba, ever Madizo.
Good morning, Mr. Mwatipa.
Yeah, Joshua Henny.
Good,
Nyamia Shiraye.
let me ask you. The question is technical question, very 2-3, but short question.
Yanko.
First one, lawyer and Pacho, so your first application, Kuma, and the parent route. Now, submit application, now could take you fingerprint now. That is that no, we are legal and illegal in UK here.
Yo, but your question the kind of let me be so clarification question. Tell me where your application now will be and then wouldn't be.
That wouldn't be.
So wouldn't be there. Now wouldn't know a crowd still. Until still I wouldn't be. But the beauty of it is say why your application decision end by. So it's not because why your application into or visa, but it's because of why your application into the law says that the decision must be made before you can be removed from the UK. But it doesn't give you work right. It doesn't give you any other residence right. I would be competing with other people who have visa no be. So that's the difference. If you have it before the application, your right will continue under Section 3C of the Immigration Act of 1971. But so wouldn't be there because I think I will pay your former life will continue. Just a why?
Okay. And two, so and the 10 years route now. The old Juliano, the Jimmy would you let 2008, the application could 2016. It could be 2 years on some more respondent to more the Bremen 2018. Which in that case, so let's start that counting from a down issue for 10 years.
About indefinite now.
Indefinite.
Oh,
no, make 2.5 make.
Yes, 2.5 leading to the indefinite.
Aha. Yeah, man said maybe 2.5 could 2, you know. My first application, maybe quite 2 years as a more issue or more granting application. Okay, Now if I say 2 years now could even Rebecca I adapt to 10 years and I send their shame.
Me ba cho me ba o. My auntie wo question na say, wo say, wo dey wo first one no ko 2 mu no. It take 2 years and na omo grant wo. Yes ah.
Pachai.
And auntie data ye grant wo no. Sa date no e na wo 10 years na start free. 2 years na akodi ni de e no enka ho. Say ye ma wo hwe, wo nkita hwe. And wo first question ni nyina koye the same thing. What you say?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Auntie from data ye grant wo no. Sa date no. What you say?
Okay.
Aha, auntie move ni enko.
Okay. Okay. Let's say me did to me in 2018 to time and me 10 years with the best one. The matma apply for indefinite.
Right. So break ambemudia and as a gap ambemudia and the best started from there you did grant first grant in the no. But a gap bedemudia and there you are having a calculate ya mathematics. Then I shall say I hear a big good as I say we'll make it up. So make sure that there's no break. If there's no break, then your starting date for 10 years will be the first date now. Or the first visa no.
Enti ukoshi na ubisa no. Ne simple answer ne so say ye de ma 2018 meboa.
Pachai.
Enti 2018 no o kan won sa sane ye call class 1 o mo kire na ekosi sign be 10 years. Enti I think say be 2028. Tell lawyer sa no no.
Sa
Enti 2028 na date na e wo so aye de ma wo no. Sa date na o de be hwe ne month no e na o de be hwe. Why?
Okay,
provided said there was no delay
Gap
to renew.
Okay,
there was no gap.
Yeah.
Okay, let me that.
Nyamishra.
Mo.
Bye bye. Yo, only other for and pay Yegusu, yeah, Joe Tata, lawyer Charles, Ajia Kunya, and then a tiny MF, papa, ne tiny MF. Lawyer, Obisa Mimbisa was a good morning. Is there a paper form for set LR, leave to remain, to print, and the fee waiver form to print as well? Ebi ohosa, obetimi anya forms ni be printi.
Set LR for usually adults. Now adults okay indefinite yeah mao fee waiver. Nkwala na sakwan da wa yetumi say amon consider for even that omo citizenship no. Inti fee waiver no. Set LR your online form. Inti it's easier. Says somebody use who pen no one no. You say feel no computer no so. Na waso. Why?
And when it's all the best system, you be so question now the system. Mate, me ba chop me ma watching, e mo akwa ba e ba dwumadi so.
The pattern no actually switch up any lawyer one.
Odo ye jo so.
No, na me shama ni mo dwuma pa mo ye de boa ye community.
Amen.
Na am afraid ye amen. Kakra me bi sana say. Me fa na say application 2.5 a ujina wo baso. Enti no o kwa ko renew. But to pese we fee waiver application no. Na ebia o di fee waiver no tum. Na omo amfa decision na man ntem ansana wo date wo yi ne so na ewu a the patro no so no ehun sinsan so ne san na se de na obetimi ya afa ho
Me ba chop me ma lawyer yi wa no wa ha but ansana obeye sa no wayi no record for public fund afriso.
the patro ai ene de dada.
Okay, all right. Yo. Any lawyer yi wa no. Lawyer wada Roma.
Yo anti many about the can say what the application to and there for fee waiver. That's the beginning of the application. And in between the fee waiver, that's a one trade fee waiver and over send don't worry. You can rather say the fee waiver is the beginning of the renewal application. Because which we are check and change. But the fee waiver near the mao already with this so the mao 10 days and so we two on friend tomorrow I feed the visa and let us say who ankasa. And now also say I'm fee waiver na mao about 10 days pay and submit your main application. And also what then is another fee waiver gap abedum. So that is the difference.
Okay. Me last year ni be July. Na me pese me de application, fee waiver application, little. It is na Emma maybe, sir.
Good. Make
Maybe
sure
a
something
codem
mentioned before ebe wu on sem.
Enti lawyer say bombody say udi fee waiver no ebetum ansana where you agu wo nsem. Why?
Me patrol you.
Enti ye hwe wanim.
Mate.
Bye. Good luck.
Me patrol me bisa another one so na me ba. They were 2.5 years me so. Me last one day July na me wo ba wo Ghana. Me time me nya me 2.5 no na enema nko yie intimate me anko fa no. But you see na me afi wadi obedi 25 June. Ekwan bi wo wa na se mo bi wo wa
Me ba cho eno no bra office. Me pa cho eno no bra office.
Me patrol mate.
Ekwan bebre wo ho. Enti eno no bra office why?
Me patrol you.
O address no.
Me will be there. I'm a follow move. Yes. Me will Manchester.
Okay. I unim say wo Manchester kra you betimi aye appointment for you on Zoom. Na ya take o particulars. You don't need to travel down.
Me patrol you.
You be my platform ube sending all your documents to us. Na ya hwem na ye the application no ni bibia to mama. Ya ni ubetimi adi nkomo e wo Zoom inti free office na book appointment. Why?
So from patrol my city.
Nyame shira odo. Ba me ba Manchester me abehwehwe why?
But you me pa na ma follow much yes.
Yeah, that's
comment you online every Thursday. Yeah.
Mo, yeah, that's it. Yo. Bye. Only other for Rainbow Radio International and then and pay yane lawyer just ena aje akonya and pay die Sania agrono kono aye de papa me pacho me ma achin ema wakwaba eba jumadi so
Bushok. The Akana reserve that for
ni aka na reserve na wan ko pass mu ama ho se medinu uti ba ku bia £50
what happened. As you didn't count.
and count so for
Lawyer Tass, young people on their own church, the power de bread at the phone. Now, no come some question, maybe something. Or yet, away in you, pressure. There is okay to pressure or you or no, or bar, or no, one bet me. I didn't to me, so I have to say something about. And now, still, we need to change now.
Yo, ne ba no wo UK dada na so wo abonten. Ana sa ma no.
Wabe wono UK. Onu ne kunu na waharo wabe wono kana confrontation kakra bi wo.
Was akwala no wo he.
akwala no landing ha so
Wa wono ha.
Wa akwala no wa ha say. I mean, this I said we aduane na say, we aduane we die ensu nipa mienu. Ba we are skillful. Njoba say ndie meye no in a way a ebesu mienu no. Ti ehwemu a eye din. But sometimes a application you put in ingredient bi a ebema aso fikesi ninu eni say we dey yehwe me fama akwalai nti ma me no obaka say over 5 years nti opeso your application technically no nukuru no de ne baaye nti nkan say step father no your application no ema ma me ana say ya akwala no so kra ne papa no your application ma akwalai but for whatever reason no my main step I saw try. Yes, it is worth trying. What are the chances? Some of these things you can't say 100% or 1%. Who could do na a short nipaneni no the ama on farmer or can you on farmer tina court ewo near the copy court.
So okay. All right. Yeah, that's right.
yo so for yanso yeda ase bye bye anopai onu adofo ma membo wo enkaye na menka nkyere wo se ekire wo so a na emra no ebrabra wo na wonhunu ba bi a wonfamfa wo pese wutu nan wo pese wo kɔ wanim enso ye ma wo nkɔ a your preferred community lawyers BWF Solicitors ho ena wodi wani ebekire me pa cho menu na mafa onu gina so mame woni pen na kofa pen na chro enti ubehu ye 4th floor and a house 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London N15 4NP. London N15 4NP. Your telephone number, Fred Abuku appointments, say 0208 493 7340. 0208 493 7340. And I say emergency number no 077 127 61884. 077 077 127 61884. Na ekire say wawuram na yetimi ahwe wo papa. Me ba cho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba ebadwumadi so.
Okay, so Bishop, I was more to say.
Nyame adum na mo mpa ebo nti ye ho ye.
So my question you know.
Bra.
First one, my name is wife. If I say enter our na gu enter magu. Ama your mom you know.
Wajai wo yire.
2.5. Oh. Bishop, temporary.
Awo wo ho nu watimi ayire ho aja yire san. Yenkwe.
Bishop say nipa onyu yeso awuni nya obenya wo.
Ha mmom de yenkwe yanim. Lawyer wajai ne yire o. Bra, lawyer etio.
Na ye clear first. Me nyina me ma no so na ye application. Na ten na me ne nja ntin twitwi ntin na ten na court. Na court me grant me na o ma me fair 2.5 no. Na ewu ye no. Me ko renew no. So asen no me ne ba no nya so to nwie. Ndi home office one time bisa me. Say me first school letter na say social ibisa mra. Na me say o asen no court. E na mo say me ko court letter mra. Until my Hakoji court letter in the court, which was 23rd January 2022. And I made the call. Up to now, I send no court in young country. I send in here. They still no, still not making that so I'm holding. TV, but who say, I don't know. Now, yes, no, in case I again, sort of, you know, the money I ever said to me, and I say, on bed to continue, mommy. Second, why no? Na me ne oba na busa fon so akasa.
Gina ho. Answer na oni oba na busa fon no be kasa ne gina ho. Lawyer person obi se wasem. Lawyer bra.
Yeah, me pa che bebre. Woni oba no eba na ekopie. Is it family court and I say criminal issue be child arrangement and
yeah,
okay.
Arrangement order.
Child arrangement. All right, that's fine. Because I'm person who said child arrangement yeah. You are applying under direct access provisions of the rules. Direct access and say when you are no new ho, but we need to but because of one to me agreement, court abemwa omoshe ama mu ehu what and what will be in terms of this. Until still I know you have your parental responsibility, you have your right. What you can do is say 3 years they are check until chase up. Like I tell you for say 3 years application we decided there. Now so why you boapayo. Emrano man kwan sa nti say we ye bibi. Because na unya no say we prove say there is child arrangement in place. Still I want to me say we ye parent e was akwala no abrebo. Nti it's nothing to do with the court. It's more about delay. We feel say because of court identity and now omon person ombe no. Chase. Why 3 years is just too much.
And lawyer,
because
I was say,
them say, me bo mpato. Okay, home office from bisa woman question say, I did not say because of me who me man, say me who me man there. This a court never grant am. Me call court say you process you. You know, say na me nyam hu nkra no. By also court no process no. O mo be 3-4 months and you court no bi why kwa ba na ma na atwa ma say na tell that do e for ma. O mo na wa ba. But now me na bucha for na kasa Ghana. And I must say fine. Because of Nikun instance, me say I just say me here letter there. On the post was say ban bit my letter and can be letter to maybe a papa no man no say who say na or the book no or any copy account or the man ka me no ko. Thank you. Be ya antika me so so ha se me fe.
Mba nkania mi bisa ama lawyer hwemu ama ono eni. mepacho enkwala no wohwe wom
sɛ maame ne mɔ mi hu ɔmo saa sɛ no ti maame
wahu ebeye problem tie me question na me bisa no forget about maame no tie enkwala no ɛwɔ sɛ wo make sure sɛ wohwe wom at least wobɛtumi anya relevant point bi a ebia medisika fa ho ekoma maame no anaasɛ medisika ekoto court anim sɛ enkwala no omo monthly feeding ni omo say ni me yese try even to go say baby a omo ko school kura no obehwehwe ho to try say obekwa kohwe omo na ebia case no enko complicate enye se o ebia oba ne dia beto say mempese be my be school ha mempese you are defending your case asema me cannot ase and this is sanya man wonya well o dia ma me ma lawyer mbrem
ayɛ nyina o yɛ kɔ kɔɔto no kyerɛ sɛ mentotɔ ntadeɛ ɛna ɔmo kese ɔmo birthday Christmas meyɛ nyina social foɔ no meyɛ kɔma because baa no se ɔno ntimi de kɔma social foɔ no ɔmo de akɔma nkora no maame no
well and you keep on doing it menjai
social foɔ no sɛ ɔmo atwa ɔmo afiri mu social foɔ no maame lɛte ɔmo atwa ɔmo afiri case because ɔbaa no nka no kɔrɔ nti ɔmo atwa ɔmo afiri case nti no ese no me nneɛma bia na memfa nkɔ court mede nneɛma akɔ court 2 times a court no sɛ ɔmo ntimi nyɛ no hwee ama me sande nneɛma no for a long time and best 3-4 years tie so nti nyame fort say me mo musa court to me ka say me mo court say no me nyanka to say mo musa
don't worry
to nyama mo time so
don't share too much.
Yeah.
Don't share too much. I mean, I'm saying a woman in the time away application when you have evidence enough to show say what direct access. Mami na amba letter. School when you be being free.
the court na the mami. Court na mami
me na make her say court Emma order at that point application now why you call child arrangement order C100 application we who paper no be na what they call ye now time away your application direct access say maame no one nti ba wo hwa wo ba so nya prophet bishop church room
like how they make £50
not transfer and I can say necessary we no kan no we nya nko nti na ọmụ atwe mu tindindindin no ɛna court so ewie if you support wie kra say wentumi andi sa court arrangement order no so a it doesn't give you direct access nti sɛ nea yɛkyerɛ mu no bɔmmɔden ano sɛ ebusuafoɔ sika no de bɛfa ɔmo so yeah just do it why build your case but for now no deɛ ɛbɛgyina hɔ saa
lawyer I think say case we no omra mehunu na
ya omra na yehwe the room why
yeah
brother
I think say omra mehunu na yehwe say ye betimi di later bi atoso na watie ni statement no baby a wo free ye baby a ode nneoma akọ yanje ye de akọ court yanje ye say yanje na beduru ha no ne yemfa later no entoso ma no
yo
na yehwe yeah minia asema point na me making what you say yeah enti me pa chew bombodi na ko hunu lawyer ye di later beto so ama nsem a ye bisa wa ha no nka ye bisa obi aka ho ba aha ya bonten enti nsem ni bi wo ha ye be fira ho ntoma what you say
yes
me pa chew o lawyer number
oh me number ho
okay
yo ko asa ma ba ko be ho me bi kura ma ono ko na ma me bi ni se me shati a me di shati
okay yo yati nyame nshira ene de ya mere no 7 minutes abroso apa ho enti yemfa atiefo ensi ha mepa cho Pamela ho lawyer Pamela beba na
Pamela around
okay mepa cho ene yemfa no mra na yemfa dwumadie no emra awieye ye hwen lawyer Pamela anim adaroma.
Good morning, Bishop. Good morning, Lawyer Charles. Good morning to our lovely viewers. Today, our topic for discussion was on Mind the Gap, how to avoid a break in your continuous residence in the UK for your indefinite leave to remain. So, after you have renewed your stay in the UK, whether you're on the 5-year route or the 10-year route, be it parent or partner route, after you are done with all your top ups, and you have to now apply for your indefinite leave to remain. If there is a gap or a break in the time you were in the UK, when you make your application for indefinite leave to remain, you may be refused because the Home Office will tell you there was a gap or there was a break in your leave to be in the UK. So this happens on different scenarios. So there are different ways this can happen. One of the ways is if you do not put in your application on time and your current leave expires before you put in your application. So under paragraph 39E, you have 14 days to put in your application, even if your leave has expired. But then does not mean that the Home Office will not grant you your further leave to remain. You will be granted your further leave to remain. However, when it's time for you to apply for your indefinite leave, they can tell you there was a break in your residence in the UK. Another instance is where you have made a fee waiver application and maybe you were not granted the fee waiver application, and they gave you 10 days to put in your application and you did not do it for whatever reason, and then the 10 days expired before you put in the application. That's in such a situation as well. You have gotten a gap in your continuous residence in the UK. Another way this can also happen is if you have maybe an appeal. So your first application was refused by the Home Office, and you're appealing the decision, and you put in the appeal late. So if you are appealing from inside the UK, you have 14 days. If you are appealing from outside the UK, no. So if you're appealing from inside the UK, you have 14 days. And if you put in your appeal after the 14 days, you'd have to explain to the court why your appeal is late. If they allow you to proceed with the appeal, the Home Office, and you win the appeal, the Home Office can grant you your leave, but then does not mean that you did not get a break in your continuous residence. So the ways that you can avoid these breaks in your continuous residence is by um, applying for your application before your leave expires. You don't have to wait for your leave to expire before you make your application. If you've been given days after making a fee waiver to put in an application, please do so before those days expire. And also, if you have an appeal to make, you have to make sure you put in your appeal on time so that there are no breaks in your continuous residence. Because then, if you are going to apply for indefinite leave to remain, you can be refused because of the break or the gap in your continuous residence. I hope this helps us all. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pamela. God bless you. On the other four, and then Anopai, and I'm Rebbe Kwan near the SCA. Yedi no, ye last word from lawyer Charles Ho. Na afi me the contact details no at Wama. Na yam cram crack. Lawyer, Wadaroma.
Yo, Bishop, Medasi Bebre. On the other four, and then the other brown, but no be the question or Troy, Bishop Way, or say some could take 2.5 hours, make me to quiet. On the other four, make me to quiet up a woman. There, you don't need a visa. But so another country there, you have to apply for visa. So yes, you can travel. In future, there's no effect. The only effect is that so one bad there, or my conclude say won't UKB wait to better. And to make sure so you return within 6 months. I tell people say, holiday, just go and come because you are protecting your leave, 3 weeks, 1 month, no waba. And no eboa bebree. But I'm gonna say don't stay away for 6 months plus. Yes, sir. Ebe kati 2.5 no down. Ama abe affect you future. So regarding the gap I don't want to say one ma visa na wo no ewu before I obey application. Na akwache e wo vacancy mu so before a decision ne ba. Ebe sa gap no eye wider. Tina yeka ni nyina say make sure say ewu a before you why your application to renew. Make sure say we court appeal BR to protect now you refuse na why you enter. Make sure say we fee waiver we buy in term. Now the man why application no enter. Now farm man so why you full from the way to within the 10 days. And yes sir, we critic gap. Gap no calculating from time I will start here plus time it could be vacancy for her ama ansa omode session eba nti ebetumi aye 2 years ebetumi aye 3 years na chere say wo ana we criticize problem no ti wo ma yenhwe na yenhwe eno nso enso na enkofa problem emba yeso when we are ready for indefinite leave to remain yada wase se wenya emre amaye na min shraw
Emo lawyer yenso yeda wase onyame enhyira opapapa anopai lawyer Charles ene de emremu adisua no abrɛ yɛn babi a papa wo bia ye chia no na ye sama no ya konso ye gidi sɛ ayie no bibia ekɔ pɛpɛpɛ anopai kɔhwehwɛ lawyer Charles ɛwɔ BWF Solicitors your address 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP for contact number C na yen intente mami cry 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and I say 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 na wawura omakachi anopai ena mre ebe ma yekwan na yedi dwumadie ni nyina si nyame ya adom a da sende odifo obesan atemenka na meja wo kwan akono na me ka kire se enne ye service ni nyina be ye online enti hye no nso ma me wate na frame na yentu hu anamo makrao bye bye.
Oh,
This is our
Bishop.
world. Here we are in our
Yes, sir.
community.
Bishop,
There
I'm
are the
sorry, the
laws.
50 pound,
There are
what's
the
that you?
regulations.
Because what
We
from
have
OD4?
BWF Solicitors. BWF
Dabi
Solicitors.
who 50 pounds in the
Experts in all
magic.
aspects
But
of
what
the
from
law.
OD4? Why not?
Family,
Over to
civil
my
litigation, all
Media
immigration,
mami ame.
IT issues,
Okay, my dear.
representation in court, marriage and
Yeah.
divorce.
All right, have
We
a
pride
blessed day.
ourselves
Yeah,
on
me see that.
excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.